Hello friends, yesterday we have started types of chemical reaction and out of them we have seen first type, that is combination reaction. Here we are going to start the second type of chemical reaction, that is decomposition reaction. First of all friends, what is decomposition? So friends, commonly decomposition is a reaction in which one molecule is divided into many parts. Many may be two or more. So when one molecule is break down into two or more parts, it is commonly known as decomposition. As you know friends, to decompose means to divide. So division is here and we have to learn about this type of chemical reaction. Actually it is of three types. Let's check it one by one. First of all friends, if heat is applied for decomposition, then it is known as thermal decomposition reaction. Please remember thermal decomposition reaction, when heat is applied to decompose any molecule. Okay friends. Second type of decomposition reaction in which friends electricity is used to decompose, it is called electrolysis or electrolysis. So second type, and third and last type of decomposition reaction in which friends sunlight is used to decompose the molecule, it is called friends photolysis. So there are three types in which heat, electricity and sunlight are used to decompose molecule. They are known as thermal decomposition, electrolysis and photolysis. These three are types of decomposition. Out of them, let's start number one, that is thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. This all type of reaction friend are endothermic reaction. What are endothermic? We have seen in previous videos that endothermic means the reaction in which energy is absorbed. We have to apply energy from outside to break down the molecule. That's why all these are endothermic reactions. First example friends we take is calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3. As you know, it is also known as friends limestone. When heat is applied, heat also can be described by delta. So you can write either heat or delta, both are same. It will be decomposed to CaO, calcium oxide, and carbon dioxide friends. This 1 and 2 products are obtained by using a reactant. So one reactant is divided into two products. That's why it is called decomposition reaction. Calcium carbonate, limestone is heated, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide are obtained. They are in different physical state. It's fine. Okay. Second number friends, let's take one example, FeSO4. It is also in solid form at room temperature. It is known as ferrous sulfate. If you remember friends, you have learned already ninth standard. If Fe is 2 plus, it is called ferrous, and if Fe having 3 plus valency, it is called ferric. So friends, here FeSO4 is there, Fe has valency plus 2, SO4 has valency minus 2. That's why ferrous sulfate is the name of this compound. It will be decomposed when heat is applied. We will obtain Fe2O3, which is a solid form, sulfur dioxide gaseous form, and friends sulfur trioxide also in gaseous form. So we will obtain three different products by heating one reactant, and that's why this is also decomposition. This is not balanced, so I put here 2 to balance it. 2 Fe are here, sulfur 2 atoms, 1 sulfur and 1 2 are there friends. Oxygen total 4 to the 8 here. So here 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8. So it is balanced friends. Last and third example is friends of lead nitrate. Lead is Pb, nitrate is NO3. So lead nitrate PbNO3 twice. When it is heated, we will obtain, friends, lead oxide, which is in solid form, plus, friends, nitrogen oxide, and, friends, oxygen gas. So these are three total products we obtain at the decomposition form of lead nitrate. This is also not balanced, friends, so we have to put here 2 and 2. This is balanced, 2 lead nitro, 2 to the 4, so this is 4 NO2 are there. So 1, 2 and 3, total 3 examples are there. In all of 3 examples, friends, it is applied to one molecule, which is big one. It is divided into 2 or 3. That's why this is called decomposition reaction, friends. Second and third number we will learn in the next video. Thank you.